everyone, welcome to Make It Monday, where we embrace imperfection and learn new things. My name is Leslie and I am the Reading Machine Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today we are going to be making one of these fun friends, this brown bat, or if you want them to be black, you could make them black too. In order to make one of these awesome brown bats, you will need the following supplies. You'll need a toilet paper roll. You will need some kind of brown paper. I don't actually have construction paper, so I'm using a paper bag. You will need a pipe cleaner, brown one, black one, whichever you can find. Maybe some googly eyes if you have them. Oops. Some glue, a pair of scissors, a pencil, a pen, and a hole puncher. So grab these materials and then let's get started. The first thing to do in order to make this brown bat is to draw one good bat wing. I've drawn one right here. It looks a lot like this. If you can draw one good bat wing, you're good, because you can use that one wing to cut out the second wing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. You can see I have my two brown bat wings here, and now I'm going to draw and cut out some ears. The ears to the bat are just triangles, so these three-sided shapes, we can draw those, cut those out like that, and those will be the ears. The next thing to do is to take your bat body and punch some holes into the bottom, near the bottom. So pick which side's gonna be the front. I'm gonna make this be the front side because it has very little in the way of creases on here. And then I'm gonna use this as the back. It's got this little stain right here, or that wet spot, whatever. And that's where I'm gonna punch the holes. And these holes are gonna be for the legs. See, I got my holes there. The legs, the pipe cleaners will be legs and they will go in the holes. And while I'm here, I want to say that I am choosing to leave my bat's body plain because I don't really have any darker paper that would go over it. You could put, if you wanted to make it like a dark brown body, you could color it, or you could put brown construction paper over it. I just don't have any of those things, so I'm just kind of going with it as it is. So once you have cut the holes here, you can go ahead and take your pipe cleaner, and I would say cut it into 4 pieces. You have 2 legs now, and you can put them here, thread them through the holes in whatever way you want. I suppose if you wanted to, you could glue them down. I don't think you need to, but you can. See? I've got both of my bat's legs on. Okay, once you have your legs on your bat, now we're gonna glue everything else to the bat. So take your wings and put a little bit of some strips of glue, I'd say, down here on each side, like that. And then we're going to glue these to the back of this bat, okay? So about wherever you think the wings would be, that, we're gonna push one on, and then we're gonna glue the other one on. Okay. See how they're both glued on? Then you turn them around and it looks like this. And if they're not placed properly, you can move them around because the glue's still wet. See, mine look a little lopsided, so, but that's okay. Again, imperfections. Then I'm going to take my triangles and I'm going to glue them to this back little flap right here. The back of what you would consider the face, I guess. Then So yeah, things have gotten mine has gotten a little bit lopsided here. So I'm going to move everything over because somehow it got a little weird where the way the legs were laying. Okay. So now I need to fix that. There we go. Okay. That's a little bit more normal. Okay. So now I have we're going to glue eyes. And if you don't have googly eyes, you can draw eyes. It's whatever you want to do. I know not everybody has a batch of googly eyes at home. Just like me, I don't have a batch of brown construction paper here. So we make do with what we've got, right? We got our eyes. That's so cute. And then the last thing you want to do is take your pen, give your bat a face. I'm giving mine a smiley face. But you can make whatever expression you want. And look at how cute he is. The last step is finding a stick of some sort for your bat to hang on, because they do like to go upside down. As you can see, I've got two of these fellas here, and they are so happy to be together. And I am so happy that you joined me today for this Make It Monday. I hope that you have an excellent week. I hope that if you do make a cute little bat, that you will show us by tagging us or posting in the comments on Facebook or something like that. I hope you have a great week. I hope that you will continue to make things, and I will see you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.